Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you have the right text selected and a dark backdrop so white will be visible. Once selected, go straight to the Home tab and find the Font Color Control. This is where you make the change. If you're in a different editor, open the Text Formatting toolbar. Make sure to work on the specific word, not the whole paragraph, so only the target word switches color. This avoids unintended styling across nearby content. Now apply white to the selected word by choosing pure white from the color picker. Type in hex hash FFFFFF if precise color is needed. Once done, consider using a character style so the change is repeatable and clean. Modify the style rather than painting color each time. If white reads poorly, increase font weight, add a subtle shadow, or adjust the background darkness to improve contrast. Make sure to finish by reviewing the word on screen and in any output preview to ensure readability. Different viewers can render colors slightly differently. If the color does not change, look for theme overrides, locked styles, or applied templates that force a different palette. To fix that, clear direct formatting and reapply a character style, or update the document theme to allow white text. A reliable tip: paste the word into a new blank document to isolate whether the issue is file-specific, and then replicate the successful formatting back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.